We wish you a very happy birthday. We speak on our own behalf and on behalf of the Zone Active Philadelphia. Mother, you have seen love personified. We have seen God's work through your hands. You have touched our lives and they have changed for the better. Mother, in you, we are assured of a solid covering that is impenetrable. For this and for all your love, we wish you a very happy birthday and many more returns.
We love you, Mom, and we take pride in your victories. May God continue to protect you, and may He keep you for us as you continue to be on the forefront of the move of God. Happy birthday.